Assalamualaikum दोस्तों, क्या हाल है? Hello, how are you? All my dear friend. I hope all my dear friend is very well. Thank you so much again for joining. दोस्तों एक बार फिर से आप दोस्तों की खिदमत में पेश हैं और आप दोस्तों का फिर से बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. Thank you again so much my dear friend for joining. तो दोस्तों देख सकते हैं आज का हमारा टॉपिक, आज की हमारी स्ट्रीम गेट लाइव सून प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू के ऊपर आज हम बात करेंगे. आज नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ आपसे दोबारा मिले हैं तो इंशाल्लाह पूरे प्रोजेक्ट की पूरे तरीके से आपको मालूमात देंगे और कोशिश करेंगे कि तमाम तर डिटेल आपको समझाई जाए, बताई जाए इस एयर ड्रॉप के बारे में. सो थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर फ्रेंड अगेन to join my live stream. Have a nice day, good day, and also good afternoon, all my dear friend. So let's start the project now. तो दोस्तों स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना आज का प्रोजेक्ट. सबसे पहले क्रीडे आपका शुक्रिया, एटकॉन आपका भी शुक्रिया, तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टू द प्रोजेक्ट. थैंक यू. गेट विल entity list soon. Spot trading and launch HODLer Airdrop. Gate will list soon spot trading and launch HODLer Airdrop. User holding at last 1 GT can share 166.667 soon. Tokens for the HODLer Airdrop is exclusive for the GT holder. After the soon airdrop concludes, no fund will be decided from the participation. Thank you so much, Clickbox and other GateLive friend. Thank you so much. So, my dear friend, you see today my live stream topic now. GateLive soon project overview. I tell you all details this project. Now join this. So, my dear friend, thank you. And now you see soon. Total airdrop 166.667 and now participation 11720 per GT 0.0285 soon. Individual participation cap now 5000 GT. Thank you again. Now increase GT. Within the individual participation cap, the more GT you have, the more airdrops you will receive. Thank you again, my dear friend. And now the project introduction. I tell you the project introduction now. Soon as 3 mine product. Soon stake in the first SVM roll-up stake to bring the Solana to all ecosystem. Currently 5 soon chain live soon stake in the first CVM airdrop. So my dear friend, the enter soon the messaging protocol along the seamless communication between the soon chains and the major ecosystem. Simple for fun, the ultimate copy trading platform, allowing user to copy the trade the best trade in the world. Thank you again, my dear friend. Mark the X triple X 40X. Thank you. Triple X 40 triple X. Thank you so much, my lovely friend. Now the Jonah Zhang founder. This is the founder of the Soon, my dear friend, Jonah Zhang. Co-founder and CEO, has been in the crypto since 2017 and lead partnership at the Coinbase Optimization and LO to founder and the MPEP CTV Andrew Zog to founder in the Polokoda and Simoda ZK is well respected for the developing L2 with the 5Y Rust Simulation 6 global experience. Thank you, Xwin. Thank you so much. And now this is the Jen Zong, the founder of Soon. So, my dear friend, I tell you the highly vision. Soon is the bring Solana everywhere with the most platforms. SVM are roll up to stake Soon, stake the ultimate copy trading protocol, some for fun. Thank you. Now GM. Thank you, GM sir. Now this is the highly vision and now token economics. The generation NAFTA assets of the Soon ecosystem investment for the builders and the ecosystem growth staking. Thank you. And now the token allocation. Token distribution, ROITO and unlocking rules. Soon 5%, soon net 5%, and now the TJE 100%, sooner 8% 3-month linear vesting, and now seen quite 8% for 6-month Calfe and the 12-month increase vesting. Now soon PL 8% to 12-month and 12-month Calif and 36-month livening vesting. Community investigation of the future product 10%. Thank you, the Shani traders. Thank you so much, Shani trader. Have a nice day, dear friend. Now the TJE 20% release, the rest of 36-month airdrop for Sooner and the Soon Squad holder 12%. TJ 70% release, the rest over 12-month ecosystem 25%. Thank you again, the gate user, the Christmas, the X. Thank you, and thank you, Shining Star. And now the TJE 5% release, the rest over 48-month airdrop liquidity 8%. TJE, thank you so much, Shiny Trader. Thank you so much, my dear friend, to joining my live stream. Thank you and welcome. And good to see you here, my dear friend. Thank you for joining again. Thank you. Hi 220. Thank you so much. Now airdrop liquidity 8%, TJE 5% release trust over 12 month, foundation treasury 6%, 12 month Calif and 36 increase. Thank you so much. And now the team collaborators 10%, 12 month Calif 36-month increase release. Thank you so much again, my dear friend. And now the risk reminder. I tell you the risk reminder. So my dear friend, you see today my topic now GateLive soon project overview, and I tell you now risk reminder in this project. Thank you, Sophie Craft. Thank you. So my dear friend, the trading market of this currency may experience scientific fluctuation due to the technical, legal, regulatory, and other factors. Please thoroughly understand the project detail and conduct sufficient market research before the participation. Gate cannot granted the currency will be listed on the exchange. The final listing status will depend on version factor, and the official listing announcement shall prevail. By participation in the project, you accept our airdrop terms and condition. Thank you, Karide and A999. Thank you. Now this is the FAQ. The FAQ project soon. I tell you, my dear friend, how to participate in the HODLer airdrop. Yes, as long as you your GT holding in Gate account in less than 1, you can participate and receive the airdrop without looking or staking GT. Now thank you. And which account GT holding will be including in the calculation? Now my dear friend, I tell you, total GT holding, unpaid accounts, post account, slotted maggot account, copy to the trading account, board account, financial account, and payment account. However, GT in crypto, loan, and GT2 accelerate. Thank you, my dear friend Gate user again. Thank you for joining. Now, how is the airdrop amount calculate? This is the FAQ, my dear friend. Once you join the project, the system will track your GT holding, taking multiple random snapshot every hour to calculate your average hourly holding, your final reward based on your average holding during the entries project period. If you average holding are below 1 GT, you will not receive any reward. Final token received your average hourly holding or participation average hourly holding. Total airdrop amount. Thank you so much again, the Beswa, thank you, the Gate user, the Torun and Midzina, Hi, and the shiny trader again, thank you. Boss, thank you. Now, my dear friend, this is the FAQ. Now I tell you the GateLive soon project overview review. And now what is per GT? थैंक यू अगेन आप दोस्तों जी मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया. Per GT is the estimated value including the number of airdrop tokens you could receive by participation in the HODLer Airdrop project with 1 GT and holding it until the end of the project. Please note the per GT will change based on the total airdrop amount and the GT holding of participate in update thoroughly. Thank you again, the Kride. Thank you so much, my dear friend Kride. And now, why are my holding account different across project? Thank you again, the Kride. The system user randomly snapshot to calculate your average hourly holding depending on way. When you join each project, the calculate average holding may vary. In the hourly, if your holding amount remain constant, your average hourly holding should to be the same across all projects you participate. Thank you for joining, my dear friend. Now you see today my topic now GateLive soon project overview, and now I tell you the FAQ of this project. What is the individual participation cap? Different projects have different individual participation limits. You can check the details page or the event announcement of more information. Thank you. And now, can I participate in the multiple project at the same time? You can participate in multiple projects. Now, how will the airdrop reward be distributed? Thank you. The airdrop will be calculated and distributed within 1 day after the project ends. You can check it anytime in the Launchpool HODLer Airdrop participation history. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Now, this is the FAQ, the project of soon, and I tell you the total detail, my dear friend. Thank you for joining. So let's move, my dear friend. Thank you for joining. So, my dear friend, you see the ex-tutor postgate. Thank you, Anima, and Nasir Web3. Thank you. So, my dear friend, the soon deposit is open the gate at the rate of soon SVM gate.com, and now the per deposit at the last 10 soon to the gate with 0.82 fees to earn extra 50 USDD, and now 50 soon with the total price of 30,000. And now the soon airdrop FCFs event the distribution my 25 a.m. my 23 to 10 a.m. UTC, and now claim now. So, my dear friend, you see the exposed. Thank you, Alexan, and the gate user friend. Thank you so much. Now you see the per deposit soon. Gate soon. Thank you for joining. So this is the executor post, my dear friend. And now I tell you again, the official website. Thank you, my lovely friend, gate user friend. And now you see the beautiful website of soon. So, my dear friend, you see beautiful. Soon check your airdrop now. Exert Solana level platforms on every blockchain. Thank you, the gate user, the Krude, and other Mark. Thank you, Mark. And Reclace Z, triple Z, Reclace. Thank you for joining, Reclace. So, my dear friend, you see the beautiful website of this project now. Thank you for joining. This is official website soon. आप दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों, मेरा आज का टॉपिक, इसी पर हम बात कर रहे हैं। Thank you so much, my dear friend. Now this is the website. Extends Solana level platforms on every blockchain. Thank you again, my dear friend, for joining. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया। तो खूबसूरत सी वेबसाइट आप देख सकते हैं। Soon maintain setting on Ethereum. BNB. Now soon the maintain setting, the Ethereum BNB chain and the base chain now live. Thank you again, my dear friend. Thank you. So, my dear friend, you see this beautiful and colorful website of the Soon. Thank you. Media coverage. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Now this is the media coverage. Soon network extend to SVM beyond Solana, and now make SVM great again. Thank you again, my dear friend. The recap this clan Sardar, the Anima. Thank you, Anima, and the Gurlis. Thank you. So this is the Solana, the Soon first, the two SVM rollup developing and the high performance to every L1 starting with the Ethereum BNB and base. Thank you again. Now the super adoption stake, SAS, super adoption stake. This is an again beautiful picture, my dear friend, and colorful. Accelerated SVM adoption, launch your own. Now SAS, the designing as the comprehensive suite of the enterprises tools to create a full interoperable blockchain ecosystem. It combines three care, combine the Soon, maintenance Soon, the stake on the intersoon. Thank you, Saklan Sardar again. And now let's move, my dear, again. This is the Soon maintain, delivering the Solana level platform to BNB chain, Ethereum and BOS, SVM BNB, and the roll up on BNB chain, the Soon ETH. The first native SVM roll up on Ethereum, Soon base, the first SVM roll up on base, and now the Soon stake. Thank you, Jinwo. Thank you, Jinwo. Soon stake. Soon stake is a high performance roll up stake powered by the Beyond Played. Roll up stock powered to decided SVM. Every project can launch your own Solana, Viva Sona, Rise one, the click dependent. Thank you so much again, the gate user friend, the Hi, the Kride, the Tron, the family, Famila, and the Anima. Now Intersoon. A cross-chain messaging protocols Now the constructing soon the Queens to major Lawyer 1 ecosystem. The Intersoon Tune Salona native bridge is now live. Thank you so much, my dear friend. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया. Let's move forward now. The core technical invitations. So, my dear friend, in other beautiful picture and theme, this project, the beautiful project of Soon. Core technical invitations. And now the deployed SVM. Soon pioneer the deployed the SM format which the enable to the seamless deployment of the SVM rules on the Solana ecosystem. The benefits of the building roll up with the tokenet the SVN including high to the notice, future-proof integration, reduce DAN cost and the rotational performance improvement. The higher the horizon, the distribute solution. Thank you again, my dear friend. And now the markization soon. Markization soon. Thank you, my dear friend. Now soon Solana, the SVM marketization problem by the implementing market price TVM, the MV at the end, unique enter within the SVM key feature, including stay rate verification, including the proof and the stall exchange, which improving the cross lawyer operation and the native bridge security. Thank you again, the gate user friend. Now from the more technical details, please refer to the peppercorn outcome by the adverter, the Soon and the Jaco on the Aniza. Thank you. Now the Ferdinand interrogation. Soon is the first SVM based chain to successfully integrate prediction the higher the platform Solana click development by the Jump Crypto into the event. The result is stable thought of 80,000 TPS with the tends to soon maintain SVM and the other soon chain next in the line. Soon unlock the next level of the real time to performance and the SVM acceleration. Thank you so much again, Amir. Thank you so much for joining, my dear friend Amir. Hello, my dear friend. How are you? Thank you for joining, my lovely friend Amir. Have a nice day, my dear friend, and good to see you here. Thank you for joining. Now I tell you the detail this project. Thank you and welcome the biggest launch. Thank you so much for your comments, my dear friend Amir. So, my dear friend, I tell you the horizon scheduling. Thank you. The gate is a friend. Now, soon the net freshen blockchain scalability thought the horizon scaling a method to expand opportunity by the editing more machine to the share the workwood rod the upgrade and the sign machine power. And now this approach ensure the thoughtfully intelligent growth of the each new node hold and the protection of the transaction independently by the living up to the distribution. Thank you, the mark. Now the product consider achievement and the same 8.3 optimization soon make HODLer setting possible. Thank you, my dear friend. Thank you for joining. Now the blogs. Thank you. And you see the blogs. Lucky husband. Thank you so much, lucky husband. आपकी मोहब्बतों का भी शुक्रिया. Now the blogs of this beautiful project website. Thank you. And now you see, dear friend, introduction and simplification for the on-chain enter to Solana password by the Soon. And now the Soon base maintain is now live on the base. And introduction Soon's big bang session 1 coming on soon NFT ultimate. Thank you again. Now support by the industry leaders. This is the many industry labor. Thank you, my dear friend. Yes, soon will be listed soon. You are right, my dear friend Amir. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you. Support by the industry leaders. Thank you. You see the many industry leaders. Thank you for joining, my dear friend. Now you see the beautiful website. So, my dear friend, you see the smart copy trading, seamless grow your wealth, powered by Soon. Now you see again the beautiful theme. Thank you, dear user friend Kasaki and the Crypto Bangladesh 77. Thank you. So, my dear friend, you see smart copy trading, seamless grow your wealth, powered by Soon. And now this is the table. You see, my dear friend, your table. The other number one. Thank you again, my dear friend. And the smart trade data display. Now the trading data of intelligent trades can save a reference indicator for the hour trading. Now the trade with the smart trading, you can early follow 11 trade of the smart trader with just one click in the affiliate, making it more convenient. And now the copy trade index and the CEX. Thank you so much, my dear user friend and Friday and the other good friend. Thank you. And now, not only can it be traded on the hypercalculate, but it can also be traded on platforms such as Benz and the OKX. Thank you again, dear friend. Now you see. Thank you, my dear friend, the lucky husband, and the other great user friend. Thank you so much. Thank you. See, so my dear friend, now the enterpriser. Thank you again, dear friend. So much A double one double two. Thank you so much. The Amir soon is lawyer to true. Thank you. And now, my dear friend, you see the soon explorer. Thank you, Amir, again for joining Amir, and thank you for your lovely comments. And welcome again, dear friend. आप बहुत अच्छी बातें करते हैं दोस्त. थैंक यू. आपका IMF कर्जा देना तो नहीं आ गए. Thank you. Now you see, my dear friend, the soon explorer beta. आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों. Now you see the total value logged. Thank you, Kasaki and the line and the gate user. Now the total value 7.89 million and the total ETH bridge in the 0.84k ETH. Now the total transaction 5729935. The total transaction 2431525 and the total transaction 330D 928901. And now the total addresses. Thank you so much again. Now the total address is 279143 and now 3966 addresses, and the address is 3D 87336 87366. Thank you. The Jempton. Thank you. The Jempton. And now see the beautiful picture and the theme of this beautiful project soon. And I tell you the detail now. Network transaction fees 20.66 ETH, and now average participation fees 32.56 GWL. Thank you. Last transaction. And now you see, my dear friend, the last transaction. And the chapter Tom. Thank you so much, chapter Tom. Thank you. And now see the last transaction signature, and you see the table, this live cluster status and live transaction status. Thank you, my dear friend. Now the slot, the black high, and the cluster time, slot time, the slot time, the APH progress. Thank you again, my dear friend. Craft. Wow, these are a big numbers. Yes, my dear friend, yes. आपका शुक्रिया, आप मेरे प्रोजेक्ट को मुसलसल वॉच कर रहे हैं अमीर, आपका बहुत शुक्रिया. थैंक्स माय डियर फ्रेंड. थैंक यू अमीर. आप भी लाइव स्ट्रीमर हैं क्या अमीर? अगर है तो बताइएगा ज़रूर, मुझे बड़ी खुशी होगी आपकी स्ट्रीम को ज्वाइन करने के. अमीर ज़रूर बताइएगा मुझे आप, अगर आप लाइव स्ट्रीमर हैं तो. थैंक यू अगेन डियर फ्रेंड. Thank you, my dear friend, again. Thank you. Thank you, अमीर. आपकी मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया अमीर, आपने ज्वाइन किया. So, my dear friend, you soon bridge. You see the soon bridge. Thank you again, the trade 20 for joining so much. And now the soon bridge. Bridge your token across the multiple L1S, L2S, and the SVM chain. Thank you. Thank you, the Rafiq. Raquel. Thank you, Raquel. And now you see. तो देखिए दोस्तों, डिपॉजिट वैलेट, ये एथीरियम, दिसोन मेंटेन. तो दोस्तों ये मुख्तलिफ वॉलेट्स हैं, आप देख सकते हैं इनको. द इकोसिस्टम फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्ट साथ में चल रहे हैं. प्लीज़ कॉन्सेप्ट यूर वॉलेट टू प्रोसेस. आप इसको इसमें कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू माय डियर फ्रेंड. दिस इज द सोन ब्रिज नाउ. एंड नाउ again, thank you so much Solana Labs. Thank you. So my dear friend, you see again the Solana lab, and now this situation, this picture. Thank you people, and thank you my dear friend Amir. You welcome, bro. Go on. I am followed you. Thank you for following you, my dear friend. I will watch next you broadcast. Thank you for information. Thank you, Amir, for your lovely comments, my dear friend. Thank you again. Thank you. The sense, this clan Sardar. And now you see again, my dear friend, this table. Thank you for joining, my dear friend. Now again you see this Soon Labs. And now the interzone. So you see, my dear friend, the interzone, the transfer Solana and the Tron wallet and the USDT and amount and the address, and now you will receive gas fees and the bridge fees and the concept wallet. तो ये आप कर सकते हैं मरहम. थैंक यू मरहम, आपकी मोहब्बत का भी शुक्रिया मरहम. एंड नाउ आई टेल यू अगेन, thank you so much. And now the ecosystem. Now my dear friend, the ecosystem. Thank you, the Fisher. And now discover the invitation powering the Soon ecosystem, buildings on Soon. So ecosystem installment, thank you so much my dear friend Marham, and the other graduate friend, thank you. So my dear friend, this is the ecosystem. So my dear friend, this is the many picture. Thank you so much, the Crypto 77, the Chinway, and the Crypto 77 Bangladesh. Thank you. And now you see the many wallet, the token pocket. Thank you again, my dear lovely friend. Finally, ecosystem. Thank you so much. This is the many of this, my dear friend. Thank you. So this is the main wallet of this, my dear friend, the OKX wallet, the token pocket, and the Bitgate and the Notary. और ये देख सकते हैं डेफी आपके सामने मौजूद है एट द रेट जमील 456. थैंक यू. And now the all dependency. This is the ecosystem, my dear friend. Now the consumer and Ross, Soon Chain, and now the stuff fracture. This is, my dear friend, the ecosystem installation. Thank you, IMF and the grooming. Thank you so much, my dear friend, for joining. This is the ecosystem. Thank you again, my dear friend. Ecosystem, and now the learn. The blogs. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Now the blog. This is the Soon SVM. Thank you, my dear friend. And Soon X formatting, the deposit, SBO limit to sword, and the learn soon. Thank you so much. Where the thriller announcement and the join the campaigning with the formatting bring to the software launch to at the Soon movement. Now the interrogating camp SVM powered by the Soon stakes. Soon is the proud to announcement that the camp network will launch the SVM chain using the Soon stake there. This participation marks. Thank you so much again, dear friend. And now the foregone thoughts challenge united for the Soon, a letter from the Junan to everyone who believe in Soon. Trust spring of the engagement among the friend device. Thank you so much. Now the Soon X bundles revolution SVM with the zero knowledge proofs. We are their light announcement to the strategic partnership between the Soon and the bundles, the collaboration, the market scientific. Thank you, my dear friend. Now you see today my topic, GateLive Soon project overview. and I tell you the total detail of this project now. Introducing simple fun, the on-chain a true the for the Solana powered by Soon. Why lose when you can cooperate to best? And now again tell you Soon base maintain is now live on base. We are threading announcement the launching of the Soon base maintain is. Thank you the IMF. Now the performance optimization, how will federal freedoms client benefit soon? Third, the operating integration of the Federal soon has achieved a remarkable 80K TPS performance milestone with now soon ecosystem big season 2 is now live. And now thank you for joining my dear friend Gate user and Chinese friend. Thank you Kride and Jamil 456. Thank you. Soon ecosystem big season 2 is now live. We would like to express our sincere gratitude to all community members who participation in Big Bang season 1 and change. Thank you. And now the SVM BNB maintain launch the bring Solana to the BNB ecosystem. Thank you Churuli. Thank you Churuli. We are accepted to the announcement the launch for the SVM BNB maintain. The SVM BNB maintain use SVS at the expansion lawyer and the BNB. Now introducing to launch network by powered by Soon Stake and the evolution toward and ISVM. Thank you Shurli again. Thank you so much. We are accepted to announcement that Lucent network will soon stake to build the NVS base all the driven network formerly known. Thank you SVM BNB. Soon participation SVN BNB tested in the now live on BNB chain. Soon is the parties partnering with the UX link to accept on chain social to SVM. We are thirdly to announce the strategic partnership between the Soon and the UX link marketing and scientification milestone in our journal. Thank you. Now my dear friend, the technical deep dive, the Squazer revolution and the defined SVM architecture. Understanding the schedule rule in the transaction processing unit. And now Soon is the partnership with the state to bring depths cross chain. We are thirdly announcement to ground backing partnership between the Soon and the stake with the stake app level interoperability. And now Soon smart with the Inch DAA to expand SVM adoption. We are thrilled to announce the Soon has entered the strategic partnership with the Engage DA, Hyper Stakeable Data Elaborate. Thank you, my dear friend, again. Now Soon partition with the adapter to scale the SVM AI. We are accepted to announcement participation with the other cutting edge and the digitalization GPU competent. Soon power CARV SVM chain with the Soon stake including all driver invitation. Soon the thirdly in announcement the CTVR the development is to the chain development using Soon stake the probability is enable. Thank you again my dear friend. Now unlisting to the next phase of the SAS introducing SVM beyond the chain. After the 6 months of regulation development, the 3 cross the project of the super adoption stake Soon maintain Soon. Thank you. Now the integrating coming soon the new age of the token distribution. Thank you again my dear friend for joining. Now my dear friend, you see my topics today. GateLive project, GateLive soon project overview, and I tell you the detail. Now in this time I tell you the introducing coming soon the new age of token distribution. Thank you, my lovely friend. Gage the friend, thank you for joining. And now, a few days ago to January 30 announced the Soon tokenomics allocation 50% of the total Soon token supply. Thank you, my dear friend, again for your lovely comments. And now the again Soon Alpha maintain launch and Soon tokenomics reels. Thank you, my dear friend, again आपकी मोहब्बतों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो चलते हैं आगे की जानिब दोस्तों। Low tax and soon they excited to unveil to new participation designed to the deliver unparalleled scalability, performance and security for. Thank you so much, my lovely friend, for joining again. And now I tell you again, the SVM, the core to Ethereum. Thank you so much. SVM, the core to Ethereum. If Ethereum did not exist but the was invented today, would people still choose to use it? Mark your MCS founder. Thank you so much, dear friend. Now soon plus Caldra's tonic proceeding customized SVM. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Thank you for joining. Now, what is the soon? आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बत का शुक्रिया. Now I tell you what is the Soon. Soon is the high performance SVM rollup designed to realize the super adoption stake when a vision to the achieve mass adoption to blockchain. Soon comprise the primary products Soon maintain Soon stake and the intersoon. The core, the technology investment of Soon including the deployed SVM marketization and the horizontal selling. You again, my dear friend, for joining. And now you see the Khubsurat, beautiful, soon high performance SVM roll up, extending Solana everywhere. Thank you again, my dear friend, for joining my live stream. Now you see today my topic, dear friend, the GateLive soon project overview. And I tell you, thank you. And now the soon main date. Thank you, the Taktipat. Thank you, Taktipat. Have a nice day, Taktipat. And the gate user, the Jobit and the Adogan. Yuldigan, thank you, Yuzo. Thank you, Yuzo. And the Crypto Champion, thank you. And the Advantage Seacroft, a token crede. Thank you so much, my dear friend, for joining. Soon maintained. The Soon maintained is the general purpose layer 2 that settles on Ethereum with its cover exception layer provided by the Jacobland SVM. Thank you, Soon Stake. Soon Stake, the collection of infrastructure that allow for the development of running of the SVL layer 2 on the top of any base layer 1. Thank you so much, क्रिप्टो चैंपियन फॉर गिव मी गिफ्ट. तो दोस्तों आपके लिए क्रिप्टो चैंपियन की तरफ से गिफ्ट आ चुका है, तो आपने गिफ्ट लिए बगैर नहीं जाना. थैंक यू एलवर्ड एंड द स्नाइपर बीएम. थैंक यू सकलैन सरदार एंड थैंक यू आल्सो क्रिप्टो चैंपियन फॉर गिव मी अ गिफ्ट फॉर माय व्यूअर्स. तो आप दोस्तों के लिए क्रिप्टो चैंपियन की तरफ से गिफ्ट है, तो प्लीज़ मिस मत कीजिएगा. थैंक यू सो मच. एंड नाउ आई टेल यू अगेन the soon stake. Thank you, Saklan Sardar. The chains deposited using the soon stake here referred as soon chain soon stake. Now the support Ethereum as the settlement lawyer, while as the DA lawyer supported by the calendar and the HODLer. Thank you, my dear friend, again. And now the intersoon. Intersoon, a cross-chain messaging protocol that ensuring the smooth instruction between the network and the enable to interoperability between soon maintain the soon stake and other L1S consenting team all in one seamless interface. Intersoon underlining cross-chain messaging is supported by the Hyperline. Thank you so much, my dear friend, and good to see you, dear. Tactopit. Thank you, Tactopit. Have a nice day, my dear friend. Tactopit. I think Tactopit. So, my dear friend, thank you. The Soon tokenomics soon overview. Intel total supply 1,000,000,000,000,000. Soon 3% inflation every year. Inflation every year. Thank you, my dear friend, again. And now the governance. Soon holder can vote to protocol upgrade, treasury management, and the ecosystem development for Soon maintenance and the Soon stake chains. And now the native assets. Soon powers all activity in the Soon ecosystem used by the builders and the user across Adopt. Now the initiatives. Soon reward builders and ecosystem contribute driving the initiative and the growth thought the great and the performance based on initiative. Thank you so much. Soon distribution. Now, my dear friend, this is the Soon distribution. And airdrop elected foundation treasury and the team co-builders and ecosystem and the community. And now total supply 1,000,000,000,000,000,000. This is the Khoobsurat beautiful Soon token allocation. You see, my dear friend. Now community. Community 21%. This allocation will be distribution thought a fair launch with the remaining serving as the reward to long-term support of the Soon ecosystem. More information coming next week. The ecosystem 25%. The ecosystem fund is the set asset to support the development and the growth of the broader Soon ecosystem. It including fielding to the participation, developer granted third party integration and the other strategic investment that ensures the ecosystem. Now the airdrop and the liquid 8%. The allocation airdrop is for the airdrop and promoting liquidity to exchange airdrop are used to attract new user initiatives adoption and the reward by support liquidity ensures smooth trading and Soon tokens in the market. Thank you. Now foundation treasury 6%. This allocation they reserve for the long-term sustainability of the Soon project. They act as the financial buffer to ensure the foundation can operate and the research to development and the respondent for the future needs to cross this category supports operation expansion strategic innovation and the governance to drive this disclosure of the allocation ensuring the project health over time. Thank you now so much, my crypto king Rajesh Grido and UK win 1802. Thank you. Now team collaborators. The team collaborator 10%. The allocation reward the core team and the contributors co-builders who have been instrumental in the creating and the launching the project. It ensures that key stakeholders are to incentives to the save along with the project's goal. Now, my dear friend, the Soon utilities. Thank you again, dear friend. आपकी मोहब्बत का बेहद शुक्रिया. So my dear friend, you see the today my topic GateLive soon project overview. Now the soon utilities. Soon serves to the utility token within the soon ecosystem, empowering to range of the functionation that they promote ecosystem growth and ensuring the network operation its primary utility including the governance. Thank you. The governance, I tell you, my dear friend. Senseway. Thank you, Senseway. Have a nice day, my dear friend. Please follow, like, and comments, my dear friend Senseway. And now I tell you the governance. Soon holder have the right to vote to certificate disclosure with the soon maintain and the soon chain trading using the soon stake. Governance allows holder to propose approved protocol upgrade to soon maintenance. Now the number vote on resource allocation for the ecosystem development and community granted. And now number point, decide on the treasury management to reward, distribute, maintain for the builder and the contributor. Participate in key decision. Now the native assets of the Soon ecosystem. Soon in the native token are the component of the Soon ecosystem, activating the blackboard of the token activity across Soon maintained in the virus or Soon to chain. Thank you, my dear friend. And now the initiative for the builder and ecosystem. Soon will Soon will survive as the initiative token to developer, builder, and the ecosystem project, ensuring the innovation and the ecosystem participation. Builders can earn soon the creating infrastructure digitalization app adopts for the tool that ensure the functionation of the soon chain. Thank you again, UK. And now staking. The soon network is set to the implementation and the initiative innovation fast settlement machine providing the alternative to both validity to optimistic rollups. Thank you. And now the first finalist will be enable bay to the validator who stakes soon to provide security active validator will be receive staking reward including annual 3% token initiative. Thank you again, my dear friend. And now the white paper. Soon white paper. Thank you again. The UK, the Sensoi. Thank you so much, Sensoi and Yoke, for joining. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया. Thank you for joining. Have a nice day and good afternoon also. So my dear friend, I tell you soon white paper. The following white paper is not the final version. Version 1 soon white paper. Thank you for joining. देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ. Soon white paper. Thank you for joining. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया. The dragon descends and now the case user, the dragon descends 8y. Thank you. So this is the okay, my dear friend. Now you see the white paper. Bring Solana everywhere. Viru, thank you, Viru. January 2025. The scalability and the performance limitation of the current blockchain virtual machine and such the Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM) pose scientific challenges to mass adoption. This the white paper introduced soon the super addition stake SAS the comprehensive solution, the largest the Solana virtual machine SVM to address these challenges. Thank you, TX. Thank you, 3X. Now, SAS comprise the core components at the Soon maintains the general purpose layer 2 that is settled to on Ethereum. The Soon stake a modular SVM rollup stake allowing the development of the ensuring seamless interoperability between the network. Thank you again, my dear friend, for joining the Tune, the Iceland, the TikTokit, and other friend, please follow कीजिएगा और reward लीजिएगा. So I tell you again, my dear friend, by the depending on the SVM extension environment from the Solana consortium lawyer, the ensuring performance and scalability, flexibility, and the coding across the enable official state. The verification using the thirdly Makely protocol tricks and the reward security thought for proof the main initiation. Thank you. Dear friend, please follow कीजिएगा और रिवॉर्ड लीजिएगा. रिवॉर्ड आपके सामने मौजूद और आ चुका है. SCS compromise the core competent the soon maintain the general purpose layer 2 that the settle to Ethereum the soon stake eroding for the similar SVM role to development of the SVM based layer 2 screens on the layer and intersoon across the messaging protocol ensuring the simple interpresence between the network. तो दोस्तों प्लीज़ फॉलो के साथ लाइक कीजिएगा और रिवॉर्ड हासिल ले लीजिएगा. थैंक यू अंजीला अरोना. थैंक यू अंजीला, आपका बहुत शुक्रिया. आपने ज्वाइन किया और आपको देखकर खुशी हुई कि आप मेरी स्ट्रीम में आई हैं. थैंक यू सकलैन सरदार. थैंक यू. नाउ द integration of this level, the proposal proceeding SVM provide the underlining transaction thought the overcome escalation and the configuration of traditional VM by the standardization SVM across major ecosystem and the holding interoperability soon lie the grounding of fully interconnected blockchain infrastructure advantage toward the massive the adoption and the unlocking the full potential and decentralization technology. Thank you again, the smart, this clan, and the Angela Arira. Thank you, dear user friend. Thank you for joining. And now tell you again the introduction. Now you see the introduction. What is SVM? Other blockchain, the virtual, and the soon so eligible. And thank you for joining, Fisher. Now the introduction. Thank you so much. Now the introduction. I tell you the introduction. What is SVM? Atofoco crypto. Thank you. So my dear friend, you see today my topic GateLive soon project overview, and I tell you all this. And now this time to introduction. The Solana virtual machine SVM stand of heart of the Solana blockchain operation, playing a surgical role in the holding transaction and the execution of the smart contract, also known to the playing to approach prodding and distribution from the traditional Ethereum virtual machine. Thank you so much, my lovely friend, for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. तो आप देख सकते हैं मेरी आज की स्ट्रीम का टॉपिक है. आज हम प्रोजेक्ट पर बात कर रहे हैं, गेट लाइव प्रोजेक्ट सून के ऊपर. तो आप जुड़े रहें मेरे साथ दोस्तों. गेट लाइव सून प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू के ऊपर बांग्लादेश. थैंक यू एटोक्रिप्टिक. थैंक यू. एंड नाउ आई टेल यू अगेन, used by the blockchain such as Ethereum, this even proposed Solana and the ahead the performance material. At the heart of the Solana virtual machine revolution performance lies scalable, cutting the eligible participation, prioritization, and the machine is deciding to lever to honestly cloning collaboration with the Solana extension environment. This forward-taking technology faculty the simulation acceptation to the number smart contract, ensuring the opportunity independently without the implementation each the other effect. Thirdly, parole processing and the other. Thank you so much, my dear friend UK Valentia and the Seclan Jobton TX. Thank you. Now the genius of the level areas from the specialization approach to the management transaction and the smart contract by the pertaining data implementation board the roads white before the acceleration. This following allow this live to the indifferently the signature shown overview transaction enable them to the prosper and the prevail well the messing. Thank you so much, Happy Brad. Thank you so much, Happy Brad, for joining. And the following, thank you, Volbol, the chief, thank you. And now the elevate them the possible projection across to them from the proposed consideration. This innovation marketing implied SVM, the capacity processing visit congestion transaction, the currently reaching into the tens thousand and the staking star developed from the scale execution model acceleration by EVM. So this is the graph, my dear friend. Now you see again the chief. Thank you, the chief. And now again the Solana. The Solana virtual machine bring the invitation approach holding transaction fees, constitution of the liquid unique according the design. The innovation has given rise to realize the marketing will the Solana ecosystem along the transaction fees to be demanded on per smart contract basis by the implementation localization fees market the Solana virtual machine ensuring the transaction black space into the non-homage resource a benefits that it's clear and scientific. Thank you so much again the great user friend. And now the other blockchain virtual machine. There are many types of the virtual machine into the contract blockchain ecosystem. Among the most widely adopted to Ethereum virtual machine EVM, based ZKM the network and the VM wireless and the Move VM among other. The Ethereum virtual machine EVM is widely regarded to cornerstone of the blockchain ecosystem due to the large and the active development community accent situation of the development. Thank you, the Bangle, the Kate user friend. Thank you so much, the Voibro. Now, application adopt and will the establishment tolling. The elements provide the newcomers and the project with the result network to support and response. However, the EVM fact notable performance battle participation in the area of the transaction. Thirdly, and the exception effection, it is the third execution model can lead to network crossing and the happening for the when. Now number two, solution sharing and the other selecting approach can help allocate the issue, ensuring the right balance between the decentralization security and ensuring scalability remaining to the earning challenge of the EVM ecosystem. Now my dear friend, while the VM other virtual machine technology hide blood affiliation, the protectional law ensuring primacy and scalability, the fuse level limitation by the under development and the vendor adoption. ZKVM to zero knowledge virtual machine employs the computation technology to ensure privacy and scalability. However, the complex of the technique makes the development and the maintenance of ZKVMS scientification more challenge developer and the civilization knowledge in the crypto hashing and the zero knowledge performance which we are not the valid understand the scalable the skill requirement development for the most established platform like the EVM or SVM. This step learning grow the slow and invitation and the role of EVM based application. Thank you, the Yep sir. Thank you, Yep sir. Have a nice day, my dear friend. Good to see you, my dear friend. Yep sir. Thank you for joining. Yep sir, please comments, my dear friend. Have a nice day. Thank you so much, my dear friend. And now the soon super adaption stock. You see, my dear friend, the soon vision sport adaption stock. Our long-standing goals has been to drive the mass adoption of the crypto and the blockchain. We believe the achievement is required to stay competent. Thank you so much. And now, first, introduction high performance acceleration environment scientifically the Solana virtual machine SVM to all major L1 ecosystem. This served as the foundation performance layer to achieve mass adoption. To achieve this goal, we have choose to the protocol centralization too. Thank you. And now the second, establish enterprises between the SVM chains and the all major and the all major less one enable to symbolize introduction this forum and the foundation community line for fetching for the mess. Thank you. Adoption. And now you see, my dear friends, soon maintain the soon stock and the intersoon standardization of SVM soon way. Thank you. Sweet cat. Thank you, sweet cat. The technical architecture storage of Solana validator. So my dear friend, you see the beautiful again picture. Thank you, Shani Traders, again welcome. Have a nice day, Shani, and good to see you here. And now the John RP service and the TPS transaction processing unit. Thank you, my dear friend, again. And now the decoupled SVM architecture, how to develop, and now key benefits of destination SVM. Thank you, Niche. And now the derivation pipelines. थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। तो दोस्तों आप देख रहे हैं आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है गेट लाइव सून प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू, और उसके ऊपर मैं आपको तमाम तर डिटेल से बताता हुआ जा रहा हूं ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड द प्रोडक्शन। थैंक यू अगेन, आप दोस्तों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। द वैलिडेटर and the transaction and marketization, thank you so much। the niche, the anti-pump, thank you। the shiny trader, the adopt field, thank you। the horizon scaling, thank you my dear friend। and now see again the beautiful graphs, see dear friend, thank you so much। आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया। the benefits of organization scaling, thank you। and now soon maintain, thank you so much। the soon maintain is the general purpose layer 2 that the setlines of Ethereum with its to current execution, the lawyer powered by the duplicate, thank you। the soon maintain, you see dear friend। now let's move forward, the soon stake, and now you see the soon stake, the beautiful things again, beautiful picture and beautiful graphic, the soon stakes, thank you again। and now the available to RS supporting soon back and the calendar, and now the intersoon, thank you। key future united communication standard intersoon enable to different blockchain to the communication using the standardization message layer emerging to the near developer to build to the bridge over maintenance to each new chain, thank you so much again dear friend। and now number 2, I tell you point number 2, percent liquidity by the keeping assets their initiative from the across to the intersoon advised to liquidity formulation by the traditional token bridge assets can move early between the chain while maintenance providing more the official transportation boss, thank you so much again dear friend for joining my live stream, welcome, खुशामदीद, have a nice day, good day। आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया, थैंक यू। आगे की तरफ चलते हैं दोस्तों। now the conclusions, the finally reference my dear friend, this is Solana document, Solana, and now the reference, thank you so much for joining my dear friend। thank you so much my dear friend। now the airdrop details, I tell you the airdrop details। now the HODLer airdrop and time my 30 23rd 2025 UTC 7 UTC. Total supply 166.667. Soon unlocking rules 100% unlock. Now the trading start my 23rd 2025 11 UTC trading per soon USD. Now participation rule. I tell you the participation rule. Thank you. Happy bird for joining my live stream. Happy bird. Thank you and good to see you. Complete identity verification and hold the last one GT to share the total reward pool based on your GT holding snapshot proportion. The maximum participation limit for each user in the event is 5000 GT. How to claim the airdrop log in the complete identity verification? Go to the launch pool, select HODLer Airdrop. Holder at last 1 GT, click join now. And now HODLer Airdrop FAQ. Thank you. Now the FAQ. I tell you, my dear friend, the FAQ. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Now the HODLer Airdrop FAQ. I tell you the detail of this, my dear friend. Now FAQ. This is the FAQ. So, my dear friend, you see today my topic GateLive soon project overview, and I tell you the detail of FAQ. Thank you so much, my dear friend. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बत का शुक्रिया. About HODLer Airdrop. What is the HODLer Airdrop? HODLer Airdrop is exclusive free airdrop ever for the GT token holder. User only need to hold a crediting amount of the GT share airdrop token based on the higher holding proportion. Now, what are the requirements to participation in HODLer Airdrop? Participation must be complete identity verification and the hold and last 1 GT. Now, number 3, what is the GT holding participation limit? The GT holding participation limit may vary each project. The specific limit will be clearly stated and the each project airdrop announcement. Thank you. Now, how are airdrop token distribute? We will take snapshot of your GT holding at the time of participation and the end of the airdrop. Airdrop token will be distributed based on your GT holding proportion of the total snapshot amount. The large and the holding, the more airdrop token you will receive. Thank you so much, my lovely friend, for joining my live stream. Have a nice day. Good day. And now the token receive mine GT assets to airdrop participation GT assets at the airdrop and total GT asset of all project participation airdrop amount rounded to the near whole number. Thank you. Can I participate in multiple HODLer airdrop? Thank you. Yes, as long as your hold engine to GT each project the snapshot time to the meet to the participation requirement, you can participation in multiple HODLer airdrop. Will identification will I definitely receive the token I participate? User holding at last 1 GT can 100% receive the airdrop provided by the maintain and the last 1 GT at the snapshot time. Now number 7, how can I check my airdrop token? Reward will be calculated and distributed will the one day after the project ended. You can check your participation history launch pool HODLer airdrop. Now number 6, what should do I have received my airdrop token? If you did not receive airdrop token, please first click of your meet to the participation circulate cream for the GT holding and snapshot time of the issue of the same time issue of the contact customer support. Thank you so much, my dear friend. This is the now FAQ. And now I tell you the about soon. And now I tell you the about soon. Soon has three main products. Soon Stake is the first SVM roll-up stake building Solana to all ecosystem. Currently, 5 Soon chain live. Enter Soon, the message engine protocols along the seamless communication between the Soon can major ecosystem, simplify fun in the ultimate copy trading platform, allowing user to the copy trade the best trade in the world. Token name Soon, token symbol Soon. Maximum supply 1 000 000 000. Token buys SOBSC token. Now you see my dear friend token ID and now token distribute ratio and the unlock rules. Soon 5%, TG 100%, soon near 8%, 3 month line visiting and the soon squad 8%, 6 month cafe and 12-month loin visiting soon bill 8%, 12-month cafe and 36% liner visiting community initiative for the future product 10%, TJE 20% release the rest of 36-month airdrop for soon and soon squad holder 12%, TJE 70% release the rest over 20-month ecosystem 25%. Now TJE release the rest over 40% airdrop liquidity 8%. TJE 5 release their over 12-month foundation treasury 6%. And now team contribute 12-month cafe 36 increase. Team Cobilator 10%, 12-month cafe 36-month लाइनर रिलीज. वेबसाइट यू सी आपको वेबसाइट बता दी, वाइट पेपर भी दोस्तों आपके साथ मैंने शेयर करा. Gate.io investment disclaimer. Gate Labs did not invest in the Soon. Now notice Gate.io Gate token GT is the unique exchange token of the Gate exchange and the native token the Gate chain public chain hold GT now. Number 2, please complete identity verification before the participation in startup to ensure the security of your account and assets. Number 3, please adhere to the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is probability and occurrence of any discrepancy will result in the disqualification of the reward. Number 4, when any discrepancy areas between the translate and the original English version, the English version shall prevail. Gate reserve the all right to explanation. User in the United Kingdom and the other registered location cannot access to service including the participation this event, game or competition. See the agreement for the further detail on the restricted location. Thank you so much again, the Gate user friend and the Churli and the Shani trader also. Thank you. Now the risk warning. I tell you the risk warning. The HODLer Airdrop project is a blockchain startup and still in its early stage. The project operating underlying technology and the legal environment may possible scientific risk. Number 2, the project team does not granted that the token price will not to be lower than the sale price. Please invest with casual and don't invest your financial capacity. The HODLer Airdrop project is still initial stage factor including the operating and the underlying technology of the project and the other related regulatory activity might contribute to the scientific risk. Now number 4, advanced technical and the financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the internet risk crypto assets investment. Now number 5, the market validated too high and the price of token might fluctuation distribution due to technical regulatory and the market factor. Gate.io team May 2025 Gate to crypto trade 39 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome reward. Invite friend and earn 40% commission. Stay concert. Visit Gate official website. Download the Gate app desktop and follow us on X Twitter to get more business. Join our Telegram community to discuss trading topic. Engage with your global community for the last initiate temporary and the security. Check in our 100% reserve. So my dear friend, thank you so much Shining Star, Yepsar and other Gate user. तो दोस्तों आपने देखा आज का हमारे टॉपिक था गेट विल इंटर लिस्ट सून स्पॉट ट्रेडिंग and launch holder airdrop. اور آج ہم نے 100% بات کی اپنے پروجیکٹ کے اوپر. آج میرے پروجیکٹ کا ٹاپک تھا گیٹ لائیو سون پروجیکٹ اوور ویو. پروفو 8888 تھینک یو سو مچ پروفو اینڈ دی ادر گیٹ دی فرینڈ تھینک یو سو مچ. تو جن دوستوں نے مجھے جوائن کیا، فالو کیا، لائک کیا، کمنٹس کیا، ان تمام دوستوں کا میں بے حد شکر گزار ہوں جنہوں نے مجھے فالو کے ساتھ کمنٹس بھی کیے. اور آپ دوستوں کے ساتھ ٹوٹل ڈیٹیل کے ساتھ آج بات کی. دوستوں میرا آج کا ٹاپک تھا، آج کا پروجیکٹ گیٹ لائیو سون پروجیکٹ اوور ویو اب کمپلیٹ ہوا. انشاءاللہ آپ سے بہت جلد دوبارہ ملاقات ہوگی نئے پروجیکٹ کے ساتھ یا کسی اور ٹاپک کے ساتھ. تو اپنا بہت سارا خیال رکھیے گا کیونکہ گرمی شدید ہے. تھینک یو فار جوائننگ آل مائی ڈیئر فرینڈ ٹوڈے ٹو جوائن مائی لائیو اسٹریم. آپ دوستوں کا شکریہ. تو انشاءاللہ دوبارہ جلد ملیں گے. تب تک خدا حافظ اینڈ بائے بائے. Thank you, the Shiny Traders again. Thank you for joining my lovely friend, Shiny Traders and Shining Moon. Have a nice day. Good afternoon, all my dear friend. Bye bye.